What's up, guys? Welcome back, and today we got a new channel called Snippy. Now Snippy, I'll do some videos on it. This is my first video. Hello, YouTube. Now Snippy, guess what happened? Before, found a ghost. Like everything is going, everything is going crazy over here. I don't know. Someone opened that thing over there, like that. This. I don't know, it's a public, They opened the... Also, I got this new camera over here. We can record with it. And here is where it's going to record. And I have to press this and then record everything. So that's the cool thing. So, after that, I'm super scared right now. As you can see, there's a garden behind that door. You can see that garden. Yeah, that's the garden with that door, behind that door. Oh, that trees and grass and, and here where I play ball. So today, oh man, the camera. Sorry about that. Sorry about the camera. So right now, if you saw something really crazy, I'll go right now at the garden. I'm gonna find some stuff and then come back by 4 minutes or 1 minute. I don't know. But if you saw something very crazy, more than worst crazy, tell me in the comments below. That will work for me so I can know what happened, even if we saw something like a shadow zoomed like that. Ask me in the comments below, and so I'm gonna go there and show. Alright guys, I'm going to the garden. See you later. Alright guys, I'm back. What happened? Oh no. Oh no. What just happened? I'm gonna record this. My camera. Okay guys. It did not work. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the very so creepy. I saw this fridge. Oh, I really saw this fridge, guys. Go on open for no. You guys, I'll see you in the next. Bye. There you go. It's off. Oh my God! Who opened the fridge? If you saw a ghost open the fridge, or anyone else, or did you see his face, anything, ask me in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll play this creepy 3 AM video. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but see you later, and goodbye. Bye.